Goa recently reported its highest number of deaths within a single day.
In such troubling times, it is very critical to know what we're dealing with.
In this video, we are going to shed light on the various COVID vaccines and why you need to take them.
What is the coronavirus vaccine? The COVID vaccines work by training and preparing your body's natural defenses, the immune system, to identify and fight off the viruses.
After the vaccination, if the body is later exposed to those disease-causing germs, the body is immediately ready to fight them.
There are 3 vaccines currently available in India.
Covaxin, an inactivated vaccine, which means it is made up of killed coronaviruses, making it safe to be injected into the body. The vaccine is given in 2 doses 4 weeks apart. It has an efficacy rate of 78%.
Covishield. The 2 doses are given between 4 weeks and 12 weeks apart. It has an overall efficacy rate of 70%.
Suptnik vaccine uses a cold-type virus, which is engineered to be harmless, as a carrier to deliver a small fragment of the coronavirus to the body. 2 doses of the vaccine are given 21 days apart.
What does the vaccine do? It develops antibodies to the virus.
It's an immunity booster.
The first shot, when taken after a week's time, gives you 60% immunity.
After a gap of 12 weeks, you get 70% immunity.
100% immunity is not possible to obtain because COVID-19 is an RNA virus and the antigen of the envelope keeps on changing periodically due to mutation that leads to different strains.
It is very important to take the vaccine, since even after due precaution, if a person gets infected, it will not lead to permanent organ damage of the lungs, heart and brain.
Before taking the vaccine, avoid alcohol 1 day before taking the vaccine.
Be well hydrated on the day of the vaccine with water and electrolytes.
After taking the vaccine, avoid alcohol for 48 hours to prevent dehydration.
Adverse effects following immunization are common with local pains at the vaccine injection site with local raised temperatures.
After 24 hours, a person might develop low-grade fever or generalized muscle pain.
You may get a headache, body ache, loose motions, vomiting and rash, but nothing to worry about. Just make sure you are well hydrated with electrolytes.
If fever exceeds 101 degrees, then you should take 1 Dolo tablet only.
Any person taking medication for hypertension, diabetes, or have undergone angioplasty or bypass must take the vaccine containing medication given by the treating doctor. If any other illnesses, consult with treating doctor.
Even after taking the vaccine, all the SOPs and safety tips must be followed. Continue wearing a mask, washing your hands, and maintain social distancing because of the changing structure of the virus.
In order to build up immunity, people should switch over to a high-protein diet and cut down on carbohydrates by 50%.
In order to register for the vaccine, make an appointment on www.covin.gov.in. The link will also be mentioned in the description below. You need to carry any one of these documents for the vaccine. People with comorbidities will have to carry the certificate of comorbidities. Please consult your doctor before taking the vaccine.
If you did find the information presented in this video valuable, please share it with others and spread awareness about the vaccine.
Maximals.